All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Your topic is describe an item of clothing that someone gave you. Item of clothing, pant, shirt, t-shirt, waistcoat, cap, any item. Someone gave you means someone gifted you, okay? So this topic is in the past tense, you will use past.
In our life, we all give and receive receive gifts from time to time. I have received many gifts which were item of piece of clothing. So today I will talk about a traditional suit which my mother gave me as a gift on her daughter wedding. It is a black shalwar kameez, as I mentioned before, traditional suit with black. It has multicolored with black, blue, and also white color, and it has golden lace on shoulder. She gave me a matching shoes with it, and also gave me a bracelet keychain. So whenever I wear this suit, everyone
Gives me. Gives me.
gives me fantastic compliments, and I feel very good.
Okay, this is much better. Good job,
अभी तो
excellent,
बोलने
very
दो.
good. That's fine. Thank you. Now, let's move on. Speaking part 2. What kinds of clothes do people wear after work?
uh, people do wear. Sorry, can you repeat this question again?
What kind of clothes do people wear after work? After their offices? When they go back home, what kind of
People
clothes do
can
they
wear comfortable and casual clothes. After work, people can after work people can wear a trouser which can feel better now.
Which can make them feel better?
Make them feel better, and on at work people can do.
I'm not talking about work. I'm only talking about home. What kind of clothes do people wear after work? So
After-
just say after work, people usually like to wear loose clothes and comfortable clothes, and these type of clothes are like
Make
trouser and t-shirt, so they feel relaxed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. All the best.